It was fast.
It was only 1 week.
Yeah, 1 week lang kasi vacation namin dito. What are you making, babe?
Making zuppa Toscana.
What?
Zuppa Toscana.
Our last 2 days here in Michigan. Are you sad?
Yeah,
It was fast.
It was only 1 week.
Yeah, 1 week lang kasi vacation namin dito. Tapos babalik na naman kami. Kahapon pala, pumunta kami sa tita ni Travis. Andun lahat ng mga kamag-anak niya. Nag-dinner kami. Doon kami kumain. So, yun. Kwento-kwentuhan. Super bait talaga nila. Super nice nila. Super nice nung mga family ni Travis. Kumbaga parang welcome talaga yung parang ma-feel mong welcome ka talaga sa family nila. Ang lamig talaga. Ang araw-araw pero alang yung gagawa niyo, girl. Ang araw-araw pero ang lamig. Sige. So hindi namin alam plano namin mamaya, no? So we'll see. Travis gonna cook.
Travis and Jess are gonna cook.
Yeah. What are you making, babe?
Making zuppa Toscana.
What?
Zuppa Toscana.
We bought this at Marshall yesterday.
I'm a purebred Italian.
You're right.
What do you think? Want to do big cubes, little cubes? Big cubes?
Maybe big cubes,
Yeah,
yeah.
let's try it. Ooh,
It's raining outside.
My new toy.
No, it stopped. I think it's still sprinkling. Magkain
Oh, I'm
tayo.
excited,
Magluluto
babe.
kami ni Travis. Galing kami ng gym. How was your workout?
Good. Good. And I was very efficient.
Really?
Yeah.
Galing lang namin. Galing sa gym. Ito yung binili ni Travis kahapon sa
Oh.
Marshall.
That's a good idea. Nice.
Kita nyo. Dice, slice, chop. So they have different chopper. Different kinds.
Dad said there's potatoes already I should use. I'm gonna do this and then you're gonna rinse them. So I just need to cut them in half. We're gonna use all these potatoes because I like my soup meaty. Ready? I wish this top was a little bigger. But that's
So
fine.
you really need to cut it because I think big. Yeah. Wow, that's nice.
Well, I'm just cutting it so it can
Nice. Galing. This is a time saver. You won't. There you go. Oh.
They are cheap, aren't they? But
Naggagayat kami ng patatas. And making zuppa. Okay guys, ganito si Travis maggawa ng zuppa. Nilagay namin yung potato, onion, tapos madaming potato, tapos nilagyan niya lang ng what seasoning did you put in here, babe?
pepper, garlic, salt.
Pepper, garlic.
garlic.
Tapos may potato, tapos meron kaming chicken broth, and then ito yung garlic na ginamit namin, yung minced na. So gamit na gamit ni Travis tong pang chop ng ano-ano. So, lalagyan pa natin ng patatas. And ito yung aming ito yung aming sausage. Super sarap nito, guys. Try nyo. Diba, babe? This is really good.
Yeah, it's gonna be really good.
Zuppa Toscana a la Travis. Oh, you like that, huh?
Oh yeah.
Tignan natin mamaya ang outcome.
A few moments later.
Itong sausage, medyo brownish na siya. Ililipat na namin siya dito sa malaking pot na ano namin. Kung saan ito yung soup. Pinapalambot lang namin yung potato. Tapos itong sausage, dito namin siya niluto. Ililipat ni Travis dito. Tapos lalagyan niya ng whipping cream at saka kale later. So yan. Masarap siya guys. Try nyo. Dali na Pangs.
Okay.
Go. Gayon. Yummers. Saluin. Mix, mix, mix. Mekus, mekus. And then later lalagyan natin siya ng whipping cream. Okay, now guys, we will add the kale. Nalagay natin yung kale. And then whipping cream.
So go down the, this trade. And yeah, this one's much smaller. Just trying to keep some of the stems out of there.
It's dripping.
Yeah, it's just.
Then now we're gonna add the whipping cream.
I already did.
You did?
Yeah.
All of it?
Yeah. Look how green.
Yeah. Look at that.
Is that all the kale? Nice.
Yeah.
Use it all.
Who is that? Aww. Who is that, Bandit?
Hi, lady.
Oh, you see that, Ma? Oh my gosh. Hi guys, matutulog na kami and bukas na yung last day namin dito. And ayun, nag-ano lang kami kanina, parang banding lang ng family. Dito lang kami sa bahay nagstay. Gumawa kami ng Zuppa Toscana na napakasarap, nakadalawang mangkok ako, ano. Tapos, naglaro-laro lang kami sa labas. Kasama yung mga aso, nilalaro namin, ano. So, yun lang. And then, nag-ano rin kami, nag-gym. Last day namin sa gym kanina. And tomorrow, hindi ko pa alam kung anong plano namin. So, yun lang yung vlog natin for today. And I know mamimiss ko ulit dito. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan kami makakabalik. Depende. Pero, malalaman nyo naman. Pabalik kami ng Virginia Saturday ng madaling araw. Alis namin dito. So, last day na lang talaga namin is bukas na lang. So, ayun guys. Last day namin bukas. Ayun na yung last day namin bukas. So, uwi na kami ng Saturday ng madaling araw. Siguro ang dating namin sa Virginia mga hapon na ano. So, yun lang ang vlog natin for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye!